after one of my friends showed up at the club with a Flight Test P-51, I decided that I'd make one out of profile airplane. Just build it up, only I'm going to make a cartoon scale. As you can see, the fuselage is a little exaggerated. Wings pretty well normal. Now when I make the wings, I actually use a arrow shaft as a support. They're just flat, there's no KF foil or anything. I scoop out the foam as wide as the arrow shaft. Use that for the main support. Using some of my old designs, I decided that I'd start a new project, and the project was going to be building a kind of a cartoon scale P-51 using my old plans for just a simple profile. I decided to go ahead and just enlarge those and move them around and try to make them into a P-51. Now, you probably can't see it on this, but there's some scribbling on there, kind of enlarging the surfaces, but using the same basic designs. There's a bunch of figures on here. But basically, if you go to foamconcepts.com, I believe that's it, he actually shows you step by step how to build these. I've been building them for a couple of years, but he took the time to build a pretty good video on it, as step by step. Now I don't use a KF foil like he does. I just use a flat wing, and I'll show you that in just a second here. Okay, there it is. Put the motor mount installed. Alright, you can see that I put the motor mounts on with barbecue sticks and lots of epoxy. I epoxy everything in as tight as I can. I've had mixed results with that. It works most of the time, but I'm using a piece of flat plywood, drilling the holes in it, and it seems to work out pretty good. I haven't put the rudder on yet. The elevator comes with is automatically put in when you cut out the airplane, but you have to add the rudder last. You have to tape it on. But everything's going along pretty good so far. Well, she's just about ready to maiden. I really ought to take a few seconds here and take good video. It might not see it again, but you can see basically it's just a profile, kind of enlarged character, cartoon style of a P-51. Let's see if I can get this focused out on the field a little bit here. There we go. Alright. See if we're ready to go here. Okay, she flies all right. I think I got one problem. Yeah, I thought so. That motor shot. Should have put a new motor on there. I put a used motor on there. But she flies. That's all I really wanted to find out today.